Hello guys. How are you? I wish that you are healthy. So in today's video, I am gonna show you how to make a nice channel art or banner for our YouTube channel. If it is helpful, just drop me a like. If you wanna see these kind of learning videos, make sure to subscribe. Let's get started.
First of all, you have to read the rules and regulation of making a channel art or a banner for our YouTube channel. Let's open the rules of that. So here we are, okay? So here it mentioned that the ideal size for a YouTube channel art image is this number by this number pixel. It should be pixel, okay? And the safe area that will display it on all devices is the central area of this number pixel by this number pixel. Keep any logos, text or image focus points in this area, and the accepted file types should be JPG, GIF, BMP or PNG, no longer than 6 MB. You know, the maximum storage that it can support is 6 MB. Okay, so let's get started. So open your Photoshop and just create new. So we have read the rules and regulation. Here we are. I have to just copy this 2560 pixel. Here we are. Come on. Yeah, 2560 pixel. Yeah, it should be pixel, not centimeter or any other of this. Okay, it should be what? Pixel. Yeah. Okay, and the weight of that should be 1440 pixel. Got it. And it should be landscape. It's good. And resolution should be more than 300 pixel an inch. Okay, so let's create then. So here we are. It is our channel art with no image, with no object. So we will add something and we will design it. Let's get started. Okay. I have a template here. Okay, so let's get it. Where was it? Come on. Yep, here. I have to open this. Deep layers. Here is the thing, okay? It is a ready template, okay? So I'm gonna delete all of them, you know. So now it is new. So you have to adjust this roller as well in order to make it really good, you know. Okay, so here we are, and I have to just make it a little bit designing, you know. Let's make it then like this, you know, the first step. Yeah, and I gotta change its color to let's consider green. Yeah, green or not, or maybe this one. Okay, and I have to make some design for this because it's not looks good. And color overlay, gradient overlay. Yeah, now I think it's good, you know, somehow. And you can change it to this, whatever you want, you can choose. and here outer glue, it is not important. Yeah, okay, so here is the thing. Okay, let me just, so here is the thing. This rectangular from this spot up to this spot is related, it's belong to the mobile phone, you know. Just mobile phone can display just this much from this point to this point, you know, and from the computer they display from this point and this point, extra these rectangular, this space, you know. And I have to just make some design on it. Yeah, as like let's consider a gaming channel, you know. Let's make it small. Yes, here channel, yeah, like this, and I have to change the color of that to somehow I think black is good. Be something like this, and I have to add some glue on it. Okay, glow and drop shadow is absolutely good to make it 3D, you know. Here is the drop shadow. Now I think it looks good. Yeah, so you can add whatever you want here, whatever, like how do I say, for example, some pictures on here, is your logo, your face, your photo, or anything you want, you know. So, and except of this space belongs to the TV. Those person who want to can wait TV, they can see the whole page, you know, the whole page, you know. Yeah, you got it. And here was that. So the accepted, where was that? Yeah, here is the thing. So the accepted file should be GPG or GIF, yeah, or we say GIF. So I prefer GPG. GPG is more good. Okay, so let's save as this to our computer. Yep, here, and I should change. So here you can see the accepted files, you know, so like GIF, GPG, PNG, whatever you want, you know, but I prefer GPG. GPG is really appropriate for me and for the YouTube channel. So let's save it and pay attention here. Okay guys, here it shows the quality of that, you know. Here is the quality. If you put this here, it shows, yeah, it shows the pixel of that, you know, and it is it doesn't have that much quality, but it should be what, high is also good, but it should be maximum, you know, large file, and it shouldn't be less than 3 or 4, you know. So the maximum files that they accept is 6 MB, as we have read the rules and regulation here. No larger than 6 MB, you know. And here is the thing, 4.6 MB, you know. Let's okay. Okay, so let's put this to our channel. We will see the result, you know. Just wait a minute. Okay, here is our channel. Come on. So sorry for my internet. Okay. Let this open the studio. Let it come. Okay, let's go to customization, branding, and change. Okay, so here was that channel art, here was that, yeah, here is our channel art, you know. So you can see the differences. So I have told you that the whole space belongs to the TV, and this space for on desktop dimension, and this space for we are on all devices. It means that especially for mobile phone, you know, not desktop, mobile phone, and you can do whatever you want. So if it was helpful, just like my video, and if you want to see this kind of video that are really helpful, just subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell of that, and I would be grateful. Thanks for watching my video.